Go outside and give it. Day 11, 15 minutes in, Jersey's half open, bloody hot, roads are bad, but today's the day we hit the coast. We'll have new problems coming in, heat and humidity. We just came down from there. It's mad.
Big descent, mate. Fun descent as well. Send it into the bends, try not get hit by a bus. You know, all the usual.
The usual stuff. You can watch the descent video. Fall sick basically.
Filmings on the filmings.
Filmings of the filmings of the filmings.
£1,400 to get sick.
End of this ride now. It's been a wild ride. What I was going to say.
We're closing in to the end of this ride now. It's been a wild ride.
It's good
We've gone over
BDS.
the mountains and through the jungle.
Yeah, but then what I was going to say.
Doesn't it just come naturally like that?
And before we launched for a juice in my head.
Is that what's totally put you off?
Yeah, yeah.
That's what he's done it on purpose.
Yeah, well, yeah, obviously.
Like YouTube beef, but here in person.
About 39 kilometers from the end at the beach resort. Feels good to be back in the heat and humidity. Feels very familiar. As much as I love the mountains and the epic climbs and chill weather, I do miss this area that I call home now, which is Goa. Climatic conditions here are quite similar. We're all going to be running into the beach after this. Almost there. Like 15 kilometers away. So good to see the ocean in your maps. I was just telling Ben, that's the feeling I get every single time when I get home. Almost at the end of our ride, and I thought I'll probably talk about the bike I'm riding. This is a new bike to me. It's an old bike. It's a Pinarello Dogma F10 from 2019, I suppose. And I actually got it like 10 days before this trip. It's been a great experience getting to know the bike over these 1,000 kilometers. I think that's one of the best ways to get a hold of a bike, and man, this bike's fast. Even with a fully laden bike, probably around 25 odd kilos on it. Thanks to Francis, I have a super nice setup for the bike with tailfin. We got the tailfin mini pannier, tailfin aero pack, and the tailfin arches. Along with the frame bag, which is super nifty. And I have a non-tailfin handlebar bag. I think it's a skin grows back, super stable. Great bike, alloy wheels, SRAM ready tap. I think I had to recharge my batteries only yesterday, so it lasted a good 900 kilometers. It's really good for SRAM, the first generation, you know. That's the bike check, which you have been seeing with the overlays that I shot earlier today. But cannot wait to hit the pool and then hit the ocean for sunset. You'll probably be seeing this video day after, on Friday. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, to all the subscribers, to everybody who's been commenting and supporting, and I think every single message has been 100% positivity. This is insane. I love it. Thank you again. It gives me a good boost to continue doing what I'm doing. Tomorrow's going to be a good long day again. Away from where we're going to end at the city of Kundapura, very special city because my wife is not from here. Well, she did come to India for the first time. She did her internship with an NGO based out of Kundapura, and she spent a good 3 months over here. We're going to probably meet her on the last day. She's going to ride up to about 30 kilometers from where we finished. She'll probably join our crew. She also makes videos. She made a lot of videos in bikepacking and solo bikepacking. She hasn't been doing that a lot. We did have a very nice bikepacking trip together as a part of our honeymoon, which was our honeymoon actually a couple of months back. If you want to check our channel out, the link's in the description. Very glad you come to Kundapura. Check it out. You can smell the ocean are you, Miss Puppy Bull? How are you? You're waiting here to receive us. Huh? You're waiting here to receive us. Look exactly like Howler. You know that? She looks exactly like a doggo on our beach. Her name is Howler. Same. She was waiting for us.
He's welcoming us.
Yeah.
Oh, sneezing.
It's a very happy sign. This is what we rode all these kilometers in these mountains for. For this?
See this dog?
Yeah. To see her and the beach.